One of the main sources of stress is that we find it difficult to live in the here and now. No matter where you are in life, it's natural for your mind to worry and wonder about what's coming next. Whenever you're not thinking about the future, sometimes you can lose yourself in thoughts from the past. Whether you're looking back regretfully at the things you did or didn't do, these thoughts could be preventing you from living your best life. For the people who do find what they're looking for, it's often the case that they eventually expect things to take a turn for the worst. We're here to tell you that this doesn't have to be the case. By taking some time out from your daily routine, you can empower yourself so that you can live life on your terms. The power of affirmations is something that people tend to overlook, but if you use them often and correctly, you can turn your life around. By focusing on positive statements, you can instill the confidence and self-belief that you need to find long-term happiness. Today, we're going to share 20 affirmations with you that you can use to clear your mind of any negative thoughts that are holding you back. Here we go. All my power is here, in the present. Every moment of my life is a clean slate. I am calm and centered. I exhale the past and inhale in the present. I cherish every moment of my life. I always focus my attention on living in the present. My future starts right here, right now. Now is the only time that matters. I am safe in the present. I won't feel guilty about the past. Every moment of my life is new and fresh. I love and approve of myself. I deserve the best. Every moment is a new beginning. I am now perfect, whole, and complete. I am willing to begin where I am right now. I accept the past and look forward to the future. The past has no power over me. I welcome every challenge with open arms. I will shine in the darkest room. We hope these affirmations resonate with you and inspire you to move forward. Once you get into the routine of practicing daily affirmations, you can start making up your own that you can share with the people in your life. Start making a difference and take control of your destiny right now. There's an amazing future waiting for you. We hope that you enjoyed today's video and that it inspired you to make a change. For more videos like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly content from trusted psychics.